Hello and welcome to our in-depth, step-by-step guide to CPA Grip Marketing Success. In this video, we'll be discussing a proven method for earning $500 per day through CPA Grip marketing. For those who may not be familiar with CPA Grip, it is a popular CPA network that offers a wide range of high-converting offers in various niches. As a CPA Grip affiliate, your goal is to drive traffic to these offers and earn a commission for each successful action taken by the user. The $500 per day method. Now, let's get into the specific steps of the $500 per day method for CPA Grip marketing success. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in this method is to choose a niche that you're interested in and that has a strong potential for CPA Grip earnings. Some popular niches for CPA Grip marketing include health and wellness, finance, and e-commerce. It's important to choose a niche that you're familiar with and that you can easily create content for. This will make it easier for you to promote the offers and connect with your audience. Step 2. Find CPA Grip offers in your niche. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find CPA Grip offers that are relevant to your niche. CPA Grip has a wide variety of offers in various niches, so it's important to take some time to browse through their offers and find ones that align with your chosen niche. Pay attention to the details of each offer, including the payout, the required action, and the target audience. This will help you determine which offers are most likely to be successful for your campaigns. Step 3. Create a landing page. The next step is to create a landing page for your CPA Grip offer. This is a page where users will land after clicking on your ad or link. The landing page should clearly explain the offer and include a call to action for the user to take the desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Your landing page should be well designed and easy to navigate, with a strong call to action and relevant images or videos. It's also important to include social proof, such as customer testimonials or trust badges, to increase conversions. Step 4. Drive traffic to your landing page. Now that you have your landing page set up, it's time to start driving traffic to it. There are many ways to do this, including paid advertising, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. For paid advertising, you can use platforms such as Google AdWords, Facebook ads, or Bing ads to reach a targeted audience. Be sure to carefully research your target audience and create ad copy and images that will appeal to them. Social media marketing is another effective way to drive traffic to your landing page. You can use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share your offers and engage with your audience. It's important to create engaging content and actively interact with your followers to build a strong following. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another important aspect of driving traffic to your landing page. By optimizing your landing page and other website content for relevant keywords, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract organic traffic from search engines. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. The final step in this method is to constantly monitor and optimize your campaigns to ensure that you're getting the best results possible. This can involve analyzing your traffic and conversion.